Ever since the first time I opened my eyes, I've awakened to the same thing. Other automaton friends roughly built like me. Ever since the first time I opened my mouth, steam escaped to the air, and black oil dripped from my lips and onto the ground. Daylight struck a chord with my photoreceptors. Night greeted me with the sea of stars. Our eyes will flash blues and greens through the night. It's just our automatonic, electronic, harmonics. Well, people are soaring down hallways, exploring higher than they've ever been before. But we are still down here, feet on the ground here, rubberize us up with the rest. Our thoughts are pixelvic, stark and robotic, mechanical in nature all the time. And pulses are firing in our head wiring, guiding all our actions and beings. It's just our automatonic, electronic, harmonics. Oh, automatonic, electronic, harmonics. Epic and so cool. Epic and so cool. It's just our automatonic, electronic.